until this point, we've only been using data frames that were available via packages. So for example, the diamonds data frame is a data frame that's inside of the tidyverse package. But more realistically, when we're analyzing data, we actually have our own spreadsheet that we want to upload into RStudio for analysis. So to import data like that, what we're going to do is first save the data frame to our computer. So if you're, let's say, doing the Lab 4 assignment, visualizing the class data, you might download the class data frame from there. And that's, in my case, I just saved it to my downloads folder, but you might choose to save it somewhere else. If I'm on Posit Cloud, I can access it by just clicking this upload button and then choosing browse to then select it from my computer. So this is my downloads folder, but again, just make sure you know where you're saving it. And so I'm going to use this class F24 data set from the fall 2024 semester. And now it's going to be available as a file here in my RStudio project. Now, if I click that, I can choose import dataset. And now I can just import this as is. Occasionally, we might have an assignment where you want to change the type variable for one of these. So for example, you might change one of these numeric variables to be treated as categorical. Like there's a data frame I'm thinking of where species is labeled as 1, 2, or 3. So R assumes that's a numeric a numeric variable, but we actually want to treat it like 3 categories, so I might choose to change it to character if that's the case. Otherwise, I can just go ahead and click import, and now that data frame is saved as an object in my global environment. It will automatically open it up in a viewer, though I can open it up again by clicking here. And now I can use that data frame as part of a visualization or some other function I need to use. If you're using RStudio directly on your computer, the process is almost exactly the same, the difference being that I already have, I'm already connected to my computer's library right here. So if I just click downloads, it should be available right here if that's where I saved it. And then the process is exactly the same. In this case, it might prompt you that you need to install a package if it requires, say, readr or readexcel. So you can go ahead and let that run if you need to, and then I can click import, and now I have it available here as well.